Hey guys, Davina here. I had thrifted this super fun hot pink dress. There was nothing wrong with it, no rib stains or any snags. This was just a lot of loose threads, and that flower on the front needs to go. And I think that's one of the things I enjoy about restoring secondhand clothing is it always is a lot of stuff to fix. You don't like something, remove it. If it's too big, take it in. If it's too long, shorten it. You know, it's just about being able to take in the whole process and bringing something back to life that nobody wanted and kind of creating it and making it for yourself, whether, it needs to fit better on you or these extra things like this flower. I'm not a big fan of having extra stuff sewn on the dress. I say let your accessories do the heavy lifting, whether it's a blinged out purse, some pretty jewelry, or, some killer heels. Um, other than that, it's just kind of, making sure everything is clean. I always pre soak, hand wash, and let hang to dry. And that is it for today. I thank you for watching. And until then, take care.